Welcome to Embellish Home with Felicia. Today we'll be making a fall-inspired DIY wreath from the Dollar Tree. You will need a 14-inch wreath form. You're going to need two 9-feet burlap ribbon, or one depending on how tightly you wrap it, and one burlap ribbon with this beautiful brown, rust, and burgundy color, and another 9-feet ribbon with the fall colors. All of the foliage you can find at the Dollar Tree. Grab one white oak leaves and one hot bush. Grab one of the brown pumpkin fillers. Grab one of the white mini mums. And grab one maple bouquet. Grab one red bundle of oak leaves, one dripping blossom, and one cattail. You will need one pumpkin of the color of your choice. Now the Dollar Tree had brown metallic ferns, and they also had the Halloween metallic orange color. I end up getting mine from Hobby Lobby. So I took the wreath form and the burlap and just wrapped the burlap around the wreath form once, trying to stabilize it so I can grab my hot glue. Place some hot glue on one end, and the hot glue is going to secure the ribbon in place. I'm holding it a bit to give it time for the glue to cure. And then I'm going to start wrapping the burlap. Keep wrapping until I have a completed circle. So I took my scissors and I cut the burlap, and I flipped the wreath over and hot glued it. Off center the pumpkin, and then take the oak leaves and place them on each side of the pumpkin, leaving space in between. So grab your pumpkin stem and secure it between the burlap, and then just bend it around the shape of the wreath. And then I secured it with the leaves. And then I took my maple leaves and then just started to fill in some of the spaces around the pumpkin. So next I'm taking the metallic orange and securing that between the burlap, and I took some maple leaves and added it around that area. So here I'm just filling in with red oak leaves to mix up the color. So next I added the hot bush on either side of the pumpkin. So next I took the dripping blossom. I added one piece on the left side of the pumpkin and then two pieces in between the metallic orange. On the left inner side of the wreath, I added two mini white mums and cattails. So I'm going to take a piece of the plaid ribbon and cut it, maybe about 10 inches or so. Fold it in half, and then I'm going to place it just to the lower left of where the pumpkin is going to be. I twisted the ribbon just a little bit off center just to give it a little bit more character. So here I took the pumpkin, added a little bit of burlap to it by gluing it, and then now securing the pumpkin around the wreath, and I'm going to hot glue the two pieces of burlap just to be sure it's secured. So next I'm taking the thin ribbon, I'm going to cut it and just make a small bow, and then hot glue those two pieces together, and then position it just to the right lower part of the pumpkin. finally, I'm adding more maple leaves in the right inside of the wreath near the pumpkin. And I went back and added small pine cones and berries surrounding the pumpkin just to add a little bit more dimension and texture. So the final wreath is complete. I think it turned out beautiful. I really love all the foliage Dollar Tree had to offer this year. But let me know what you think. I had so much fun creating this wreath. So thank you for watching Embellish Home with Felicia. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share this video. I appreciate your time and thank you for watching. Have a blessed one.